Welcome to our product demonstration on hybrid cloud administration in Elastra Cloud Server. In our product, the cloud is the basic unit of organization of your virtualized resources. In front of you see right now a system that has three clouds, a marketing cloud, a QA cloud, and an engineering cloud. Now, if we select the marketing cloud, we'll see that the cloud has two providers. These are providers of virtualized resources. In this case, we have two providers, one provider for Amazon Web Services and a second provider for VMware. Now, selecting over to the engineering cloud, what we're going to do is add a provider. This dialog allows you to add an Amazon Web Services account to the engineering cloud. We enter our access key and our secret key. In addition, we also specify the OS images that are necessary for deployment. Clicking Save, we can now persist this provider with this cloud. The second thing that we can do is create bundle quotas. A bundle quota allows us to limit the number of virtualized resources that can be allocated to a cloud. In this case, what we're doing is we're limiting the number of EC2 high CPU medium bundles that we can create under the engineering cloud. Now, if I switch over to the designs, what I can do is I can create a design. In this case, I'm going to create a design of a single Apache web server. And to this design, I'm going to allocate one of the bundles that has been previously defined. In addition to allocating a network, I'm now going to allocate the Apache web server to this instance. Now I'm going to save this design and give it a name. And once I've saved the design, I can then deploy the design to the engineering cloud. In this dialog, I can now select the AWS account that I created during cloud administration, and I can select the OS image I need and click Deploy. System now goes through the deployment of that design to the cloud and to the provider that you created at the start of this process. Now, switching over to the deployment manager, I can see the list of deployments that we've created for this AWS account. Since the design was just deployed, the VM and the software are still being provisioned. Closing this and switching over to Elastifox, I can see that the system indicates that there is an AWS instance that is currently being spun up, and switching back to our deployment manager, you can now see that the system has updated the deployment information with the IP address from Elastra. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more, please contact sales@elastra.com.